In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the latest Royal Match mod menu for free, fully working on both iOS and Android devices. If you've been searching for a Royal Match hack, Royal Match Unlimited Coins, or Royal Match Mod iOS and Android, this video is exactly what you need. As you can see on the screen, this Royal Match mod menu unlocks all premium features in the game. You'll get unlimited coins and stars, along with powerful in-game enhancements that work on any version of Royal Match. Right here in the mod menu, you'll find multiple options, including unlimited boosters, unlimited coins and stars, all levels unlocked, free purchases, and several other exclusive features that completely transform your gameplay experience. Before we get started, make sure your Royal Match app is updated to the latest version. To do that, simply open the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Royal Match, and check if there's an update available. This step is important to ensure the mod works correctly. Once you've confirmed that your game is up to date, you're ready to move on. The next step is very simple. Scroll down to the pinned comment below this video. In that pinned comment, I explain exactly where and how to download Royal Match ++ get the mod menu on your device. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.